Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Sign into Steam with the account that owns the game, and back up local saves to a safe folder so you can recover files. Once done, open the game's properties and check the Steam Cloud checkbox to enable syncing. Make sure Steam is fully updated and online. Offline mode prevents uploads. This initial configuration registers the save path and permissions so subsequent syncs succeed without manual file juggling. You now create or modify saves by launching the game. This writes the latest local data. After playing, close the game properly to ensure save files are flushed to disk. Then watch the Steam client in the lower right or the game library entry for the small cloud sync icon and status messages. These confirm upload progress. If multiple devices are involved, wait until Steam reports a completed upload before switching machines, because conflicting timestamps can create duplicates or overwrite new. To finish, verify that the cloud has the expected save. Check Steam on another device or in the game's cloud details. If Steam shows a sync conflict, choose the most recent timestamp or manually replace the cloud file with your backup to preserve progress. Make sure Steam finishes syncing before playing elsewhere. One key troubleshooting tip: if syncing stalls, restart Steam with administrator rights and force a resync. That often clears permission or cache issues and resumes.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.